In this video, we'll show you how to replace your headlight bulb in this Mercury Grand Marquis between the year ranges of 2003 to 2011. Of course, the bulb will be located inside of your headlamp assembly. Now let's get started. Alright friends, let's get started on our job. To gain access, let's go ahead and remove this plastic panel that comes across the front under the hood. To do that, you'll find that you have 3 of these push clips. For each of them, all you have to do is turn it counterclockwise and lift it up and out. There should be one in the center, right here, and then there's one at the far end. Once you've done that, go ahead and remove this from the vehicle. With that out of the way, you have a clear view of the wiring harness that leads to the backside of your headlight bulb. Now let's go ahead and turn the headlight bulb out of here, pull it up to an area that we can access it, and remove the wiring from it. Generally for this, you can reach down inside and turn this counterclockwise to remove it. Ours is a little tight right now, so I'll continue on with some pliers, reach down in here, and continue on by turning this. We can pull this out of the headlight. Now let's bring this up to where we can access it. Now go ahead and remove that bulb. Let's take that bulb. We'll slide it on here. There we are. Make sure that's secure. Now let's go ahead and put this in position inside the headlamp assembly. When you're doing this, you want to be extremely careful not to touch the glass on the headlamp bulb itself. Once it feels like it's slid into position, go ahead and line up those tabs and turn it clockwise to lock it in. Just turn that clockwise till it's completely locked in. Give it a wiggle to make sure it's secured. Alright, let's put on our plastic panel here. We'll start in the center. Now we'll carefully put each side down into place as well. Once it's in place, continue on with each of your push clips. There should be one in the center. Get our last one on here. Okay friends, we showed you how to do one side of your headlight bulbs. The process will be the exact same thing for either side of the vehicle. Of course, when you do a headlight bulb, you always want to do them as a pair. Now aside from that, go ahead and put the key in the on position and test its functionality. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.